You've probably got microfiber all over your home. Cloths, towels, workout gear, but what actually is it? Microfiber is a man-made fiber that's incredibly thin, thinner than a human hair. Polyester, polyamide, nylon, less than 1 denier per filament. Some are split filaments carved into tiny wedge shapes. Why does that matter? Surface area. Those wedges grab dust, oils, water. Dry, they build a bit of static, so they lift particles instead of just pushing them around. Wet, they wick and hold moisture, often several times their own weight. So you get streak-free cleaning without chemicals. That's why detailers love them for cars, baristas for shiny machines, and I use them on glass screens, countertops. They're soft, they don't shed lint easily, and they dry fast. In clothes, the same fine fibers make lightweight, breathable fabrics that pull sweat off your skin. But there's a catch. Because these are plastics, tiny bits can break off in the wash and head toward waterways. You can cut that down. Wash cold and gentle, skip fabric softener, use a wash bag, use a machine lint filter, tumble low or air dry. High heat can melt or deform the filaments and kill performance. A quick guide: look for split microfiber, higher GSM for plush tasks, like drying, lower GSM for glass and dusting. Color code cloths so you don't take grease to a mirror. Rinse after use, wash when dirty, and retire them to grungy jobs once they lose their bite. So, microfiber in one line, ultrafine synthetic fibers engineered to trap more with less effort, awesome for cleaning and performance gear, with a bit of care to use them wisely.